hotel. Staring into abyss of mountains and greenery. And the New Hampshire mountains. Henry. Hey, Henry. I survived my first night at the hotel and it was wild. Hopefully I don't go to hotel parties when I get in trouble. Brought every toy in the house so we can fit in the car. We're here for breakfast. We're hanging out at a farm that has breakfast, the Heritage Farm, in New Hampshire. It's like, I forget the name of the town. But, begins with an S. You have some pancakes? It's also a petting zoo. So we're gonna go and check out some animals as well. This is literally a house. So it's a Heritage Farm Pancake House, and it's in San Burton, New Hampshire, which is about a half hour north of Concord, and about a half hour south of where we were last night in Plymouth. All right, what are these? These are like what, baby ponies? Well, not baby ponies, but miniature ponies.
You see the pony?
You see the animals, buddy? Henry, look at the ponies.
You see the ponies?
Couple bees flying around. They're more afraid of you. Let's eat breakfast. Then we're gonna go see some animals. Go see some goats and some ponies and some chickens. Let's see some chickens. Let's see some chickens. You had eggs and a little bit of pancake. Hi, buddy. Henry, you see the cow? That's you. Moo. He goes moo. Moo.
Look at his face.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Moo.
Hey, bud.
He's a baby cow. Oh, it's a real cow. Oh, here comes his friend the goat.
That's a real moo-moo.
Hey, Mr. Goat. Sorry. Here comes the other goat. That goat. Hey, it's Tom Brady.
Oh, there's little.
Oh.
Those goats.
Yeah. Little goats. Hey, guys. Can't get fresher than those.
Oh, hello. Hi.
You scare you?
Yeah, I jumped out. Hi.
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
Ooh, we got some furry goats. Some furry goats. Some furry goats. Mommy calls them furry goats. Say hi. Those are sheep. They go ba.
Ba, ba, ba,
It's a real sheep.
ba.
Hello, Mr. Sheep. Yeah. Can you say hi, Mr. Sheep?
Say hi. Can you say hey like you did this morning? Oh, here comes another
Here
one.
comes Mr. Goat.
Oh, I think he likes
Oh.
you.
That's cool, huh? Ooh, chickens. Or those roosters?
That's not even the roosters.
I don't know either.
But that's a turkey, huh?
I don't think so. That's a chicken.
That white one?
Oh, maybe that's a turkey. I've never seen a white turkey before. Excuse me, sir. What are you? Are you a chicken or a turkey? You guys chickens? You guys are chickens, right? Or the roosters have the hats? I'm not sure. Henry, do you know? There's that rogue chicken. What do you think? Yep, that's a rooster. Rock-a-doo-doo-doo! Did he scare you?
Watch out, because there's...
Poopy, bro. Henry, can you say, Henry, can you say crock-a-doo-doo-doo?
It's like so fascinating.
Hello, sheep. Oh.
a bigger cow.
There's the goat. Can you say hi, Mr. Goat? I think his name's Tom Brady. Alright, we are in Concord, New Hampshire. Little man is sleeping. Let's check out the map. Let's see what it says. Looks like it's like something out of like a horror movie.
Yeah.
Old theater. Alright, we just came in from downtown Concord. Now we're going to a rest area at 93. It has like an indoor. Interesting. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye!